You know, if it is something I've realized recently is this game is really hard, you know. Like, I mainly only play what's it called? The newer PvP style of Minecraft. And I don't really play this game at all, so you know, it's not I only play that or nothing. It's just if I play Minecraft, you know, I play the newer versions with the new PvP, which I just feel so much nicer in my opinion. I just feel more skillful in a way, you know. This is mainly just tracing, which I'm not the greatest at, as you can see. Let's put that in there. Let's take a few more blocks. Fire charge. How is he already here? What? That's wow. Okay. But it happens as usual. How does he do this? I don't get how they do it. How? Yeah. I'm just getting speed bridged on it and one-shotted pretty much. Not one-shotted, of course, but like they're just killing me very fast. This is not looking good. Okay, okay. Uh, let's see. Maybe there's something flawed in my strategy of just protecting my bed every time. Might be because I'm so bad at PvP, you know, like red is already coming at me. At least he's not speed bridging. I lied to myself there. He is speed bridging. Do I have 40? Yes, I do. So I'm probably just gonna do this. No! Yeah, he's coming now. I think I have to. Yeah, I have time though. He's not coming for me that fast. Boom. Boom. He took the gold, I think, and might be buying armor now, sadly. Should have saved it. And he's trying me. I will not work, buddy. Oh my god, that is such a strategy, you know, just jumping it. This is a hard fight, but he hasn't protected his bed, so I can technically just do this infinitely. He needs to protect it. Let's get a fire charge this time. Oh, okay. Let's save the gold. Let's see if I can make sort of a... yeah. Wait, red's gone? Aww. Wait, no, he's not gone. He's alive. Let's go. I get my revenge. Some X. Okay. Wow, he's running fast. This server is lagging, I must say that, bro. It is very, yeah, it's buggy or something, man. Okay, let's get armor. And a fire charge. Okay. Oh man, red's out. That's too damn bad. Let's get some breaching tools, I guess. Yeah. Let's put them there, and let's go. Green is still alive. Bro, he hasn't done anything. Interesting. Let's see if I can tickle his feet. There's quite a few diamonds here. I can get sharpness. Okay. Got the sharpness. Let's get some fire charges too. Okay, here nothing. No, yeah, no, he's coming. Bro, the reach in this game is crazy. It feels like you just cannot run away. Now Green is on that island, so is he here? He doesn't dare. Challenge, God. Spy an iron sword this time. Oh, he's here. I got him out. Gray is not upon me yet. Okay. I didn't buy any blocks though. It's too bad. Let's buy some blocks. Let's go for green as long as Gray is not happy. Because I don't like happy people. They piss me off. Okay, well, I can't say that, but... right. Okay, Gray is kinda coming, but I don't think I should fear him that much. Gray is still alive. That's quite scary. But he didn't go for my bed when I did this, so kinda sold. Let's get a few more diamonds so I can maybe buy some protection. I'm probably gonna buy an alarm. Just in case. Yeah. How many did I get? 4. Let's buy a reveal trap and that's about it. Okay. Let's get that. Let's buy a bow, you know. Bow could go crazy here. Oh, I had a lot of more gold than I thought I did. Well, I'm 2 away from a punch bow. And I do have iron armor, yeah. I do have blocks, yep. Let's buy a better pickaxe. I can buy quite a few things here, and let's buy 1 Dream Defender and then the rest 5 charges. Let's put Judy in here, and let's take this there, boom, boom, boom. Okay. It's only Aqua and Grey left. Are they fighting? I'm guessing, yeah. Okay, let's try this then. As long as I don't get knocked off, I think I'm good. Oh, that could have been bad. Yeah, no, burning is not a fun thing at all. I do indeed not own a pearl. I think when he runs over the bridge, I bow him. Try to take him out. Where he fell on. Okay, it's fine, because Aqua's upon me already. Gave me a sword, thanks. Yeah. Appreciated much. Much appreciated indeed. Yeah, no, there was nothing I could do there. He just had that trap. But there is a possibility here. I still can win, I feel like. Yeah, I need to go for Aqua. I'm cooked here. Let's see, Grey is... I don't know where Grey is, but I don't want to know, kind of. Let's just go to mid. Okay, Aqua's over there. I see nobody on mid. But I will take these emeralds. I'll totally take emeralds, pearl when he's off island, and take the bed. I feel like that's a good idea. Let's go to yellow then, if I can. Oh, that would have been tragic. Okay. Yickety doo da, yickety da. Okay. I'm trying to think of how much I actually need. I'm not taking that risk. Okay, lock in. I don't want to knock myself off here. No, wait, that means Grey is done for. He's gone now, because I took his bird. Aqua's gonna win. He's just gonna shoot me off when I try to bridge or something, man. Bro, yeah, what did I say, man? So fucking... That was a long ass game, so I think that's gonna be it for today. Bye bye.